In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Hulu subscription on Roku. Step 1. Cancel via Roku device. Press Home on your remote to access the Roku main screen. Highlight the Hulu channel, then press the star button for options. Select Manage Subscription and then Cancel Subscription. Confirm cancellation and follow the on-screen prompts. Step 2. Canceling via the Roku website. Go to my.roku.com in a browser and log in with your Roku credentials. Click Manage your subscriptions in account settings. Find Hulu and select Unsubscribe or Cancel subscription. Confirm when prompted. Step 3. Check billing source. If Hulu does not appear in your Roku subscriptions, your account may be billed through Hulu's website, Apple, Amazon, or another party. Cancel using the respective service. Step 4. Verify cancellation. You remain active until the end of your paid period. Look for a cancellation confirmation email and check your account to confirm Hulu is no longer listed. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Removing the Hulu app does not cancel your subscription. Bundled subscriptions or non-Roku billing must be cancelled via the original provider. Pause is available as an alternative to full cancellation. Canceling does not grant refunds for unused time. And that's how you cancel your Hulu subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.